For the past few days, reindeer, Christmas trees and other Christmas decorations have been appearing in our retirement village. A few broken branches and an old garden shed have been converted into a Christmas crib. The village is quiet before the festivities begin. The mince pies and mulled wine are nearly ready. Last-minute musical arrangements are finalised and residents begin to move in. Eventually, our chairman Peter manages to exercise some control over the assembled company.
Just before we go any further, I think we should all give a vote of thanks to all the staff members that have probably been here. So, first order of business, before we get to the important bit of the lights on, we're going to have some carols. So come and find Jerry. So without further ado, over to Jerry. Let's have a
and the ivy, when they are both full grown, all the trees that are in the wood, the holly bears the crown, all the crowning of the swan, and the running of the deer, the playing of the merry organ, sweet singing in the choir. Glory to the newborn King, peace on earth and mercy mild, God and sinners reconciled. Join the holy angels sing, join the triumph of the skies. With the heavenly hosts proclaim, Christ is born in Bethlehem. Angels sing, glory to the newborn King.
Lovely.
God and not created.
Oh, come, let us adore Him.
Oh, come, let us adore Him, Christ the Lord. And so we come to the switch on of the Christmas lights.
9, 8, 7,